So good morning dear students, narito muli tayo sa ating channel para matuto ng iba't ibang mga topics hinggil sa maths. So ang topic natin this morning is all about the square of a trinomial. Pero bago tayo magsimula mga kaibigan, kung bago ka lang sa ating channel, gusto mo pong makarinig ng ganito mga mathematics topic, just click the subscribe button at yung notification bell para maging updated tayo sa mga latest uploads natin sa ating channel. Nag-upload ako ng 4 to 5 videos sa loob ng isang linggo. So balik tayo sa ating topic. Our topic is all about square of a trinomial. First of all, dear students, ang square of a trinomial is part of the special products in Algebra Grade 8. Ang reference natin is Mathematics Learner Module Grade 8, which is K-12 module issued by the DepEd or the Department of Education for Grade 8. Now, there are 4 types of special products. First is the square binomial. Second is sum and difference of 2 terms. Third is the square of a trinomial. Fourth is cube of a binomial. So, naituro ko na sa inyo sa mga previous videos natin yung tungkol sa square of binomial, sum and difference of 2 terms. Now, this time, ang tuturo ko sa inyo is square of a trinomial. Now, itong square of a trinomial, let us remember na yung trinomial, ang tinutukoy dyan, a polynomial having 3 terms. Okay? So, these are the steps on how to square a trinomial. First, square the first term, plus, square the second term, plus, square the third term, plus, twice the first term times the second term, plus, twice the second term times the third term, plus, twice the first term times the third term. Okay? So, para mas madali ninyong maintindihan yan, let us have an example here. Number 1. Solve for the quantity A plus B plus C square. So, based on the rule given a while ago, we need to square the first term. The first term is A square. So, i-square lang natin ano man yung first term. Second, i-square din natin yung second term. Ano yung second term natin? B. So, i-square lang natin yan, magiging B square. Third, i-square the third term. So, anong third term natin? C. So, we need to square that. Plus, 2 times the first term times the second term. So, 2AB. Okay? Next. 2 times the second term times the third term. So, magiging 2BC. Next. 2 times the first term times the last term. So, that will become 2AC. So, ito na ang square of trinomial natin. Ito na ang sagot. Ngayon, kung hindi natin gagamitin itong square of a trinomial which is part of the special product, mahabang solution ang ating magiging solution dito. Kasi you need to multiply quantity A plus B plus C by itself. A plus B plus C. Okay? So, ito, shortcut itong special product, kaya tinawag na special ito. Next number, let us have another example, number 2. Solve for the quantity A minus B plus C square. So, the first is A square. A square mo lang yung first term. Then, the second term is negative B. Pag i-square mo ang isang negative number, negative variable, always magiging positive yan kasi square yan. So, magiging, instead of negative B, magiging positive B. Then, square the third term, which is C, magiging C square. Next, anong susunod na step natin? 2 times the first term times the second term. So, 2 times A times negative B. So, ang magiging sagot is negative 2AB. Next, 2 times B, 2 times negative B times C, that will become negative 2BC. And then lastly, 2 times the first term times the last term, 2AC. Okay, pwede rin 2CA. Pwede mong pagbaliktarin yan. Let us have the third example. Solve for 2x plus 3y plus 5z square. So, una, square mo yung first term, which is 2x. So, magiging 4x square. Next is square the second term, 3y, magiging 9y square. Square the third term, 5z, so magiging 25z square. Next is 2 times 2x times 3y, that is 12xy. Next is 2 times 3y times 5z, that will become 30yz. Next is 2 times x times 5z, that will become 20zx. Okay, so ayan ang sagot natin. So let us have the fourth example. So solve for the quantity 3x minus 2y minus z square. Okay, so square the first term, 9x square. Square the second term, 4y square. Square the third term, z square. 2 times 3x times negative 2y is negative 12xy. 2 times negative 2y times negative z, of course magiging positive yan. Negative times negative will be equal to positive. 2 times 3x times negative z, that will become negative zx. So yan ang answer natin. So nakapagbigay na tayo ng 4 na example about square of a trinomial. Now this time, meron tayong quiz na ibibigay ako sa inyo. There are 6 items here. There are 6 items na kailangang hanapin ninyo ang square nila. Square of a trinomial. So solve for the square of a trinomial given the trinomials below. So you need to answer this para masiguro ninyo na natuto kayo. Ibig sabihin, naintindihan nyo yung topic na ating pinag-aralan ngayon. Okay, so hanggang dyan na lang mga kaibigan ang ating video ngayon. Kung meron tayong natutunan at gusto pa nating matuto ng maraming videos tungkol sa mathematics, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell para maging updated tayo sa mga latest uploads natin sa ating YouTube channel. So maraming salamat. Thank you for listening.